Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. Today we are going to learn how to format for thousands and millions for Excel. Okay, in Excel. So first what we need to do, we need to select the numbers and right click, format cell, go to format cell. Here is the format cell. When we need to go custom, here is the custom, and then what we need to do, select any number here. Okay, we need to change 0.01 comma, we need to note here only 1 comma. Okay, and then quotation mark K and quotation mark and OK. See, this is format for thousands, same like all of them. So we need to copy this one and copy the format and do that. So what we need to do, select any number or all of them and right click, format cell, go to format cell and then custom, and then click any number, and then we need to change the here is we need to put 0.01 comma and K. Okay, and next one we need to set up for million. We need to check, we need to select one cell and right click and then format cell, same custom. Here what we need to do, 0.001 comma 2 comma, here we need to put 2 comma and quotation mark M, because million. Okay, 0.0, okay, 0.0 comma M and OK. See how many million. So copy format painter and paint all of the cell like that. So select the cell and right click, format cell, and then select the number and change here 0.0 comma and M. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video is helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.